welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk, brought to you by SpringPath. We are at the 2015 VMworld exhibit, and here helping me out is Jerry Melnick from SIOS. Jerry, how are you doing?
Absolutely great. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you very much. All right, so SIOS, what is going on with you guys? What are you guys showcasing during VMworld?
Well, we got our new product, SIOS IQ, right here on a big screen, as you see. We're showing our topological data analysis. We're bringing a brand new technology to market around data mining and big data for IT operations.
Okay, and what are the key features?
Key features are really trying to figure out what's going wrong with your infrastructure, what's happening there. You know, why is somebody calling up and complaining about something in this messy, complex, impossible to understand infrastructure? How do I get to the bottom line really quickly and say, here's the problem, how am I going to fix it?
Yeah, so how are you fixing it?
We tell you exactly where the problem is and we tell you how to fix it.
All right, and what are your clients saying? What are your customers saying?
They're looking at this and they're realizing that this is really the leading edge where it's going to go. You have to, everybody else is looking at this as sort of just a slice. You know, we just take a look at this piece of the data infrastructure with this piece of the infrastructure. We're looking at the infrastructure as a whole, completely looking across that, using big data, data mining techniques, and advanced machine learning to identify sort of those patterns of behavior that are indicative of the problems that you knew. So we learn as we go along about your infrastructure, and then we tell you what, in your particular case, the issue is. So as opposed to best practices where you're guessing what's going on, we learn what your infrastructure looks like and what your best practices really are and when you're off track and what the problem is.
That sounds always nice to know like what the problem is right away instead of assuming. All right, and so what is the future of SIOS?
SIOS, this is just the beginning for us. We've started off really talking about root cause analysis today. You know, what's wrong with the system, who's doing it, who done it, and as we go on, we're going to be looking at that same data set to find areas where you can produce more efficiency in the operation, save some money, you know, how to plan for the future, make sure that you're reliable and delivering on the service level agreements, make sure performance is there, the system's up, and give you the proactive issue lists that you need to work off of to improve the operations.
All right, and one last question. How is SIOS making an impact in the VMworld community?
Well, given the fact that this is the first approach to the problem this way, the simplicity that we bring to it and the cost effectiveness is really revolutionary. So we're going to help IT optimize and work efficiently in ways that nobody else has done before.
All right. And Jerry, one last random question. If you could be any ice cream flavor, what would you be?
Oh, well, I guess it'd have to be a strawberry.
Nice and sweet. All right, Jerry, thank you very much, and good luck with the rest of the show.